Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check Android version and that your carrier allows tethering, and verify mobile data is active. Once done, make sure your battery is above 20% and signal is stable so the hotspot will stay connected. Disable power saver and airplane mode now because they commonly block background services. If you have a VPN or data limit, pause those features. They can interfere. Now open settings and get ready to access network and internet for the next step. You'll configure the hotspot. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. Tap Wi-Fi hotspot and set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so unauthorized users can't join. Next, choose the band, select 2, 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed because device compatibility matters. Turn on hotspot and monitor connected devices. If Wi-Fi tethering gives problems, enable USB or Bluetooth tethering as an alternative. You finish by validating connections. Have the client device forget the network and reconnect, and restart both phones to clear transient issues. If connectivity remains flaky, reset network settings in Android to restore defaults, because misconfigured APN or proxy settings often break hotspots. Make sure mobile data is not capped or blocked by your plan. Contact your carrier for APN or tethering restrictions. One key tip: if nothing helps, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then re-enable cellular. This often forces the radio to renegotiate and restores hotspot service.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.